Hello, hello, Packers, and welcome back to the Packer Report. I'm TJ, your host, bringing you all the news you've been looking forward to and the things you've missed. I've got some pretty good stuff to share, so let's not wait any longer, right? Starting off strong, the engineering department hosted the aerial drone competition regional qualifier February 14th at Smithfield High. The event took place in the gym with more than 150 students from 14 middle and high schools. Students showcased their knowledge through competing in 4 disciplines: creating an engineering-style notebook, flying a drone autonomously through an obstacle course, then flying the same course personally, and finally working with another team to score the highest score across different elements. Now then, let's move on to another event that took place recently. On February 20th, the SHS Drama Club hosted a free Black History Month event in the auditorium, featuring various performances celebrating Black creativity. This event was a true highlight this month. Also, I was actually in it, and you know what? Let me show you the photos and tell you all about it. Singer Simone Carnes hosted the show. There were several amazing performances, including spoken word, song, and instrumental. The performers were me, Junior Jamiria Dyson, First Sergeant Hunter, Miss Lovelace, and alumni Sierra Payne, who graduated in 2025. There were also several original pieces, including songs and spoken word. That's not all for today. It's time for the announcements. Our Smithfield Beta team recently attended the VA Beta State Convention on February 13th and 14th at the Hampton Convention Center. Beta brought home some top-tier results. In Speech Division 2, Cameron Hicks placed first, and in Marketing and Communications, Anthony Harkins, Alma Maddie, Destiny Kelso Brown, and Diana Liang took second place. Everyone who placed at the state competition is moving on to the national competition in Nashville. Congratulations! On Saturday, February 21st, Smithfield High School Debate hosted and competed at the VHSL 4A Regional Tournament, taking home overall sweepstakes. Congratulations to the following debaters for advancing to Super Regionals, which will be at Smithfield March 21st. For policy, in second place, Mazzy O'Hanlon and Kaya O'Hanlon, and in first place, Alma Maddie and Jack Westock. In Student Congress, Reese Wicker placed fourth, with additional Congress members Liam O'Boyle and Kennedy Zier. Also advancing, Kennedy was named the most outstanding representative. Third, in Lincoln Douglas, Daniel Province placed first, and Diana Liang placed third. And in Public Forum, the team of Abigail Wall and Alize Pizarro came in second. JROTC will be hosting its second blood drive of the school year this Wednesday, March 4th. You can sign up during your lunch or online, and remember that 1 pint can save 3 lives. Every donation counts. Interested in marching band? The 2026 Spring Marching Band Camp starts on March 4th, and practices will take place on Mondays and Wednesdays from 3 to 5:30 p.m. All students are welcome to attend, even if you have no previous experience. If you are interested in or plan to go into the military, this is for you. ASVAB testing will take place on Tuesday, March 31st. Make sure to register for the test, as further information will be sent to your email. Lastly, our varsity girls soccer team and varsity softball team will both have a home scrimmage on Friday, March 6th. Come out and support our Packers. That's all I have for you today. Thanks so much for tuning in and staying up to date with all the news. Make sure to come back next week because we've got a lot more coming. Have a great day, Packers.